I can't even see over there. That is crazy. We have to walk through that to get home. You can't even see anything. This is crazy, guys. This is a true blizzard right here. It is just pounding our house. Like, you wouldn't be able to see anything on the road. I don't even know if you can hear it. It's just nuts. It goes, it gusts. Like, my camera can't even like focus. It's just wild. Hello everybody, it is a blizzard here in Minnesota. The roads are closed, no travel advised. It's like white out. Like our whole house, it's like shakes because you can feel the wind. We're gonna go outside as a family. We're gonna make our way to the shop because my husband is doing some work in our laundry room, needs to cut some boards, some trim. So that is what we are gonna do, and I'm gonna take you with me. So it's really calmed down. It's not bad anymore, really. I mean, the roads are still closed and everything. Look at this wall of getting, look at, it's like as high as me. This is insane. Look at this. That is crazy. Like, look at that. This is like, this bar goes up to my chest, and that is like how tall this drift is. That is just wild. Andy, look at this drift. It like drifted in. It's huge. Andy had cut out a path through here, and it's nowhere to be found.
That's crazy.
It is.
How am I gonna get this?
You're gonna have to climb over, I guess. Andy's 6'4", and he's got to climb over this mountain of snow. That's how tall it is. Woo! But it's definitely not, the wind isn't whipping like it was. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is nuts. See the kids. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see out in the field, there's like a huge, massive drift. Woo! Hey guys! There's the shop. Oh, on Instagram stories I showed where you couldn't even see anything earlier. Hi! Woo! Massive, massive drifts. Look at it now. I don't know if you can even hear it. It's just blowing so much. I can't even see over there. That is crazy. We have to walk through that to get home. You can't even see anything. Wow. There, it died down a little bit. It kind of comes in big gusts. Hey! Your pants are all unzipped and your pants are all showing.
I know. They would have been like that anyway.
Why?
Because something at work.
Oh, well, you should tell me that. Oh my gosh, look at you.
Bye-bye. We're going back to King Cooper.
Okay. Woo!
Look at it. Full
Oh,
of
it's all on my face. Woo! I gotta get out of here. That makes me so nervous. I hope nothing happens because there's no way to get you to a hospital in this weather. This chain and this big rope, it's like goes for a long way. My dad used, was it this tractor? Yeah. My dad used this tractor to pull Andy out of the ditch with the truck. It was wild. He could not see anything, couldn't see the road. It was just a whiteout, complete whiteout. He went right in the ditch.
I was going like 5 miles an hour and I just slid in.
Yeah, 5 miles an hour. That was crazy. Alright, so there's my dad. He's got the big tractor with the plow on it. And Andy's following in the truck. Because Andy tried getting to work this morning. This is the day after the blizzard. Andy tried getting to work and it's as tall as the truck, the drift down the road. So he can't get to work. So Dad said he's just going to come and plow him all the way below the road out. So there they go. He has his own personal road clearer. Oh, there's a plow going down the big road right now. That's good. He'll be fine once he gets to that road.